Eco believes that taking care of your HVAC system is serious business. That's why we're doing things differently. We're taking the time to do things right. Let's begin with your air conditioning system. You want your cooled air to be healthy. The enzymes in our coil cleaner destroy odor-causing bacteria. The cleaner is non-toxic and odor-free. This is an example of how we clean a blower wheel. Just a little bit of dirt on the blower wheel can reduce the efficiency by up to 15%. Members get a one-time complimentary cleaning of the blower wheel. Combustion analysis is such an important part of the heating check. It's really important for safety and for efficiency. We take measurements like O2, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and we can understand if your system is safe and running efficiently. Checking the integrity of the heat exchanger is another really important test during heating. Your system gets checked using state-of-the-art technology. You get a pre-service score of your system and a post-service score of your system. Your technician follows a guided workflow with over 200 checks, and it gets detailed and polished. All of your important documents, manuals, your warranty information, your filter information will be stored in a neat folder. Your technician will sign and date your clean and check record. You get unmatched service. Our tools are unmatched, our report is unmatched, our process is unmatched, and our cleaning is unmatched. And we're so excited to bring this to your home.